gonna buy light off the fireworks in a couple of seconds. Well, a couple of minutes. Sorry, I gotta yell. No, we're with Mason. What? But we're with Mason. Let's get the hype up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and like this video. Let's go. We got some music.
Guitar.
See there, the fireworks about to start.
Drums. Don't imagine what it's like time. How can I resist? You're looking for nothing but a good time. It don't imagine what a good time. How can I resist? You're looking for nothing but a good time. It don't Thank you.
Ooh. Well, I think the fireworks are about to start now. What time is it? What time is it?
9:30.
9:40?
9:30.
It's 9:30.
9:39. Oh,
9:40.
9:40.
Here he is.
Mason.
Who was that?
I don't know.
It was one of the kids that did the tattoos? Did whose tattoo? Like a real tattoo? Yeah. Oh, I thought it was one of those tattoos over there. Fake.
That I have?
Yeah. It's a real tattoo. I can't believe, wait, a kid doing it? Like you have to be like 21. Or is he 21?
That's an adult. Well, kind
What?
of an adult.
Or do you have to, is he like 18? You have to be like, Mom, how old do you have to be to work in a tattoo shop?
I already tagged you.
That's some good music. Alright. Fireworks are about to start. And right now it's like 9:40. They start at 10. So we got like 10 minutes. Oh, we got another YouTuber. Look it. They're filming right there, the person in the black shirt.
But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting. Where the tanks in their pumps, in their pumps, in their drums. In your head, they are crying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Mother's prayer, others taking over. The violence causes silence. We must be mistaken.
Eric!
It's a shame all of the
Eric! Is this a band?
2018 in your head, they are fighting. Where their tanks, in their bombs, in their guns, in their drones. In your head, they
Christmas music. Alright guys, so fireworks about to go off. Yeah. So that singing is terrifying my life right now.
You having fun, kid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Nah, Julian's probably... The fireworks are probably going off for him right now, right? Two?
Hey, we got our new band member, Phoenix, here. He's going to come up and play some Skinner with us. Y'all give Phoenix a hand. Get up here, buddy. Yeah! No, just play guitar? All right, that's good. You'll still get chicks. Just keep playing, you know what I mean? All right.
Yeah, yeah. My throat hurts. Oh, come on, man. I got a feeling something bad's gonna happen. Like he's gonna not play right. He's just gonna go blah 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 blah. Wait, I should do that. I'm a good guitar player. Bro, you should hear how I play guitar. I've played guitar for a year. Counting this year to be like 3 years I've played guitar. I had a feeling he was gonna play. They got a kid. They got a kid playing back there. Can't see him because of the big giant pool. But here, let me lift the camera up. You know what? No. You'll record? You'll record it, Mason? Oh, no. I've been making this video for like 10 minutes now, so. Started this video 10 minutes ago. Mom, what time is it?
It's time for you to get a watch. It's 9:47.
Yeah.
9:47. I have a phone. That's basically a watch.
I just play. I just play guitar.
That kid plays better than me. Hey, that kid can play good. That's better than I can play.
Mama told me when I was young, sit beside me. Listen
Hey, that
closely
kid plays better than I do.
to what I say. Take you to this, it'll help you some sunny day. Oh, yeah.
Do you know what time Travis Scott had a concert? It was everybody jumped in the concert and the whole world thought it was an earthquake.
Take your time, don't live too fast. Troubles will come, they will pass. Find a woman, you'll find love. Don't forget, son, there is a someone up above. Be a simple kind of man. Be something rich man's gold, all that you need now. Save your soul. You can do this, oh baby, if you try. All that I want for you, my son, is to be satisfied, be simple, kind of man, be something you love and understand. Baby, be a simple man. Won't you do this for me, son, if you can? Yes, I will. Don't you worry, you'll find yourself. Follow your heart and nothing else. And you can do this, oh baby, if you try. All that I want for you, my son, is to be satisfied. Be a simple kind of man. Be something you love and understand. Baby, be a simple man. Won't you do this for me, son, if you can? Won't you do this for me, son, if you can? Thank you.
Give it up for Phoenix, y'all.
Mom, what time is it?
Don't you have a phone right in your hand?
Yeah, I'm making a video.
Bring me water, please.
Is that kid done playing?
Mason. No, he's not playing.
We have to start coming here.
It's a lot better, ain't it? Better than the morning, ain't it? This is the second here.
Wow. Chill, don't keep that energy on him.
What do you think? You cats ready to see some fireworks yet? That don't sound very enthusiastic. That was a little bit better, you know what I mean? I think it's the boots. If they weren't high heeled, I'd trade you. They're pretty badass. I like them.
Oh yeah, give your sissy a hug. Yeah, your sister was so good.
Seemed alright, I talked to the eye. She looked a little worried. She tried to pretend he wasn't drinking again, but Daddy left the proof on the cheek. I was only the sky that 4th of July, the time that the firework come. Just put out the flames and took down some names.
What?
Send me to the county home.
Are those yours?
Saying it's right or it's wrong, but maybe it's the only way.
Good.
Talk about your revolution. It's Independence Day. Let freedom ring. Let the white dove sing. Let the world know that today of a reckoning. Let the weak be strong. Let the right be wrong. Roll the stone away. Let the guilty pay. Independence Day. Roll the stone away. It's Independence Day.
Hey, buddy, old pal. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Mason, you're my buddy. Yeah, you are. 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 Fireworks! You're going. Fireworks! Fireworks! Oh shit! Yeah, guys. Guys, look it. Guys. Oh, it's messing my phone up so bad. Well, the camera can't see it. Let's go, Mason! Is this all? This is all! Oh, we getting big! Let's get lit! Let's go, guys! Gosh, Mason, this is sick. You want me to hold it up? No. I'm taller. I know, but I'm a good cameraman, bro. You don't know how many years I've held this camera. I've held it for 6 months, almost a year now. I'm a better cameraman than you, bro. Maybe, I don't know that. Give me the booms. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Boom, 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 boom. Give me the booms. Like that. Like the boom! Not that. Like the boom. Like they had earlier. Oh my god. Y'all don't know what my screen looks like, but I ought to show it to y'all someday. Oh. Pow, pow, pow. We're getting tall ones. That's a good one. Light up the sky. Light it up. That one. Give me that boom again. That better not be all.
That's left. My dad and my son served for this. My dad, who you all are respecting, and my son.
Man, you really don't give a fuck.
Oh yeah!
Go boom! This is just beautiful. Woo! I'm the best cameraman ever.
Oh, there's more! Oh, wow!
That's hard. But, well, I keep hearing a baby scream every time. Listen. Ready? Oh, it stopped. Oh, I'm gonna clap. Oh, still more, still more. Hey, Papa, what would happen if you lit off your one firework to keep talking about it, light up the whole valley? Did you go to jail? Happy 4th of July, guys. Oh, I'm gonna be doing a video on toilet tower defense tomorrow. This is just epic, right, Mason? Right, Mason? This is so sick, dude. Boom! Go! I love those booms. Go! Yes, bro. There can't be more. There's no way there's more, bro. They have to be out. Wait, hold on. More? There's more. There's more, I think. Alright, guys. There's literally more. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Kapowie.
That's right.
Kapowie. 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 That's something my dad would say. Kapowie. I don't think I got the Kapowie. I like boom boom, not Kapowie. My eye forgot. I can't get it. Whee! Hey Mason, don't worry, bro. It's me and you, bro. You got the boom! I got that Kapowie. Got the Kapow. No, that was a bow. That was a boom. That was a boom. When I say Kapowie. And what do you mean back? That's not how it works. They just said if I say it's a Kapowie, it's a Kapowie. That's not how it works. I think we're gone. Mason, look at my phone. Pow. Kapowie. 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 Kapow. Kapow. My dad says kapow a lot. Kapow. Act like my dad right now. Kapow. 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 Boom. That's a boom. That's a boom. Kapow. 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 I can't pick up the kapow. Boom. No kapow. Kapow. Boom. That one was a boom. They were all a boom. 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 Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Pow. Boom. Boom. Kapowie. No boom. That was definitely a boom. Kapowie. Boom. Oh my god. Mason, bro. Mason, dat me up. Bro, what was that, bro? Like, dat me up good. You can come. Are you trying to stay tonight? Alright, babe. Oh yeah, Carter came over. Julian's at Carter's house. Wait, family. I'm staying. Let's go. Wait, are you coming with us? Yeah. Okay. He's gonna ride home with us. Woo! No, Eric, can you sit in the back? No, me and you will sit in the back with me. So yeah, guys, tomorrow I'm gonna be making a tower defense video. Oh, I can wait, Mason. Look it, I can draw. Mom, I'm gonna go to the truck and grab my phone.
Well, not yet, buddy. Before we go.
Yeah, Mason, you can get it before we go, dude. Yeah, we got a lot of time, dude. No, I know. Alright, guys, I might end the video because I'm not gonna lie, I gotta pee, bro. I ain't bringing the phone with me, bro.
Okay, I'll do that.
No, wait.
It's in the little closet.
Okay.
Mom, the phone's right there. It's recording. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. That was sad. That was sad. Oh, I got it. I have it. Oh, okay. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Alright. This video is almost an hour long. Right now it's 35 minutes. Thank you for recording for me. God bless Mason because he recorded for me. It's 10:12. It's 10:12. So these fireworks started only 12 minutes ago. And they're still going. I've never had fireworks going for this long. Is this better than the Corning one? Yeah. Do you guys always come here? This is our second year here. Wait, this is your guys' second year coming here? Wait, the people that live here, are they part of your family? My grandpa's kind of friends with them. He told me that. I'm not coming
Jasmine,
home.
watch out. Jasmine.
Jasmine, I'm not coming home with you. I'm coming home with him.
Jasmine, watch out, man.
Mom, where's your phone? Mom, where's your phone?
Boom. Kapow. Kapow.
Wait, I can. I have my phone.
Oh. Good.
Are you going to post it on your YouTube?
Alright, guys, so Mason's recording too. Look at it.
Come on, Mason, stand up, bro. Get a good view of that. Sit down.
Nah.
Jump.
Yeah!
Let's go, baby. We both gonna post this video, right? Or you're not posting This is all my photos. You can copy off mine because yours is a little bit blurry.
No, my camera doesn't actually show that. It's just my phone screen because I slammed the back of it because I was mad, bro. Well, I basically dropped it. Yeah, I didn't slam it.
Hey, it didn't break from the trampoline.
It didn't break from the trampoline. It fixed it. It got it better.
Everybody stand up, count from 3, 1, 3. Everybody put your hands up and count 3, 1, 3.
That's what Eminem said in the movie.
Everybody put your hands up and count 3, 1, 3.
Everybody put your hands up and count to 3, 1, 3. Woo! Mason, what did you mean my camera's a little bit blurry, bruh? Kapowie! That's funny, bro. They keep saying Kapowie. It's funny, bro. Boom, boom, bop, bop, pow. Bro, if you mess with me in the hoods, you're gonna get boom, boom, bop, pow.
Boom, boom, bop, pow.
Boom, boom, bop, pow. What, Mason? We're both 5th graders now. Well, going to 5th grade now. Bro, it's crazy. Wait, what if I get failed? No, they would tell me, bro. If I get failed, bro, I'm not going to mission.
Summer school?
No. Does that mean I might get, wait, do you have summer school?
Yeah, but I'm not going to it.
You. my lemon nerd. Like you're a nerd. What if I told them I'm allergic to ice, man? Boy got socks on, bruh. Yeah, you heard me, buddy. Mason, stand up. Jump, 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 jump. Hey. I'm watching it through my phone. I cannot watch it through my phone. I'm just show me the count to 313. Boom bop pow, skibbity toilet.
Julian's missing out.
Yeah, Julian did not know that the corning one sucks. Boom! Ba 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 ba.
I'm gonna show the video when we get there
No, he's not gonna be home.
tomorrow.
That Carter's house. He might not be coming back tomorrow. Kobe! Yeah, I just screamed Kobe in my dad's ear. Pow! Boom bop pow! Boom bop bop pow! Boom bop pow! Oh. What? What is that, bro? Oh, that means it's starting to end. Why can't I hear that? The whistlers? Mm-hmm. They go.
That was perfect timing, Mom.
Hey, I'm good at this. Oh. Hey, I can smell that.
Yeah, I can smell the smoke from here.
Boom bop pow. Boom bop pow.
That's not ending.
Oh!
This is never gonna end. There's a whole truck. Wanna know why it's been so long with the fireworks? Because there was a whole black truck filled with it.
2 of them. Oh. And it's still going. Oh my God. Lord Jesus. Hey, my God, mate. I gotta stand up. Oh my God. Oh, Mason. Mason.
We haven't got to the grand finale yet.
Oh yeah, I know that. That's the one that just goes boom, 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 boom. That was a big one. Big. Hit me with that gritty. Oh. Man, imagine getting hit by one of those. That'd be worse. That would be worse than a bullet, probably.
Oh, it would burn your skin.
That would be worse than a bullet. Oh. No, thank you. Oh no. Oh no. Nah, I don't want to sit down. Grand finale. Grand finale. Grand finale? Starting to rain. Bro, it is 10 o'clock at night right now, bro. It's 10:30. It's almost 11. But I need to go to bed, bro. It's past my bedtime. Well, basically, it's summer, so I can stay up. No to Felicia? Bye, Felicia.
It's not even drinking.
Oh my God. Nah, I think I kind of, when I said that, a lot of old people looked at me. Like, a lot of people looked at me, Mason. It was weird. Bye, Felicia. Wait, maybe her name is Felicia. Yeah. Bye, Felicia. Everybody put your hands up and count to 3, 1, 3. Yeah, there's Whistler. Grand finale, let's go. Is this the grand finale? Oh, it ain't even over. Bro, I love this place. I gotta keep coming here, bro. They get lots of fireworks. It's starting to annoy me though, cause I wanted to end my videos like I gotta get the hang, bro. I can't end it. 10 minutes long. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. These fireworks have been going off for half an hour now. I love this place, bro. I gotta keep coming here.
It's 10:25.
It's 10:25. Go! That was a boom, 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 boom.
That was the big
Boom, bop, pow.
pow.
That was a boom, bop, pow, pow, pow. That was a pow, pow, boom, bop. Grand finale! Oh! My glow stick went over my hat. Everybody put your hands up and count 3, 1, 3.
It's cool. Yeah.
No, dang it, shit.
Let's go!
I'm quick. Hey, y'all should call me speed. Nah, I'm just kidding. I can't.
That's what you call a lot of fireworks.
That's what you call it. Okay. This still got more, bro.
Oh no.
Oh my God. Thank God, Jesus Lord. All right, peace out, y'all.